At Element Kitchener, testing goes beyond validation. It's a critical part of the development process, helping manufacturers reduce risk, improve performance, and make informed design decisions earlier. By combining advanced simulation, mechanical evaluation, and materials analysis, our team generates the data needed to understand how products will perform across their full life cycle. Here, we aim to understand how materials and systems perform in real-world conditions, including scenarios outside of design expectations. Knowing products are rarely used in controlled conditions, that analysis begins with environmental simulation. Element Kitchener recreates a wide range of real-world scenarios to evaluate long-term durability, from temperature fluctuations and humidity to prolonged environmental exposure. In more extreme conditions, the focus shifts to how quickly materials respond to stress. Rapid changes in temperature can introduce expansion, contraction, and internal strain that reveals weaknesses apparent under steady-state conditions. External forces add another layer of complexity, as sudden impacts and repeated stressors can challenge structural integrity, especially when combined with environmental exposure. By replicating harsh environments, we evaluate how surfaces and coatings respond, how protection systems hold up, and how products maintain performance when exposed to moisture, particulates, and other environmental risks that contribute to material degradation. Beyond environmental exposure, real-world performance is also defined by motion and force. In use, products and systems are subjected to continuous movement, repeated loading, and dynamic input through their life cycle. Element Kitchener simulates these conditions to understand how components respond over time, helping you identify fatigue, wear, and potential failure points. As forces increase, so does the need to evaluate behavior under higher loads and more demanding conditions, providing a clearer picture of long-term durability. At the material level, performance often comes down to how surfaces hold up under repeated interaction. Contact, friction, and everyday use can gradually impact both the function and appearance. By evaluating resistance to wear and surface degradation, we help manufacturers understand how materials will perform over time and under continued use. This level of testing ensures that products not only meet performance requirements but maintain quality throughout their life cycle. But testing doesn't stop at performance. It also answers a critical question: why do failures occur? When issues arise, detailed analysis provides the insight needed to understand root cause. By examining materials at both the structural and chemical level, we can identify contamination, material inconsistencies, or design-related weaknesses. These insights help teams refine designs, validate material choices, and reduce the risk of future failures. From environmental simulation to advanced failure analysis, Element Kitchener delivers the data and insight needed to move products forward with confidence. Reach out to us today to learn how we can support your next program.